Atlas in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Lothrop, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lenham around 7:40 p.m. Flushing around 7:50 p.m. Swartz Creek around 7:55 p.m. Beach around 8 p.m. Flint and Crossroads Village around 8:05 p.m. Woodton around 8:15 p.m. Grand Blanc around 8:20 p.m. Davison around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Atlas, Sackford Township, Rankin, and Genesee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, and Shiawassee.